Today we're going to take a tour of 345 Great Oaks Drive in Pelham, Alabama. So come on in. Love the double doors at the front door, at the front entrance. Come on in, and we've got this great family room with a gas fireplace. Beautiful hardwood flooring. And just off the family room is the kitchen with an eating area and a large walk-in pantry. You've got your island, you've got granite, you've got stainless steel appliances that are staying. The refrigerator's just a couple of years old. And the stove. Love under the cabinet lighting, you can see. And just over here, we have a large dining room with cathedral ceilings. Notice the lighting that's coming into this home and all the crown molding that was put in. And now we'll head over to the master bedroom. All right, so we've got a large master bedroom that's got tray ceilings and again, the crown molding throughout. And as you head into the master bathroom, we have his and her sinks, his and her closets. We have a water closet and a very large walk-in shower. This is a split bedroom plan, so let's head to the other side of the house. There's 2 more additional bedrooms on the main level and a full bath. This will be perfect for your guests. All right, so just off the family room, you're going to step out into your covered screen deck that overlooks your gorgeous backyard. So we have the covered screen deck, and also there is upper open deck for grilling. And your view is just gorgeous of your private pool back here. Beautifully professionally landscaped backyard. The backyard is completely fenced in. It goes beyond the trees here. So there's plenty of room for the pets to roam and plenty of grass still. Don't worry, we're going to take you down to see this pool close up. All right, so just before we head down into the basement area, I did want to show you that there is a half bath that's on the main level right here and a very large walk-in laundry room. And then we're going to head on down to the basement so you can see the finished area. All right, so now we're downstairs in the finished basement area, and I want you to notice these beautiful hardwoods that are down here too. This is where the family comes to enjoy and relax and overlook the backyard. They've also added a workout area, but this would be great for a play area, an office, or a craft area. In the rest of the basement that's finished, we have to our right a large full bathroom. and a guest bedroom down here. So this home has 3 bedrooms on the main level with 2.5 baths. And in the basement area is a full bedroom, full bath, and a den area. And now I'm going to show you the best part of this home, and that's the backyard. Look at this. Plenty of patio area. You have a saltwater pool, huge backyard, professionally landscaped, privacy back here, so peaceful. Can you imagine this being your backyard and sitting out here relaxing, having friends and family over? I'm Dianna Howell with the Howell Group of Keller Williams. I would love to show you this beautiful home. You can reach me at 205-568-5435 and book your appointment today. And I'm going to be right here waiting on your call, enjoying this beautiful pool.